Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thank you for joining me. Today I want to enlist your help and your knowledge on trying to figure out if there's anything that is not stock on this pistol. It's a 1911, of course, by Springfield Armory, and this is a range officer operator. As you may know, they've been discontinued by Springfield, and the firearm has been safety checked. And for our lovely YouTube manual reviewer, this pistol is 100% factory stock. So as you can see here, it says range officer operator. It's got the pick rail, and I guess that's the operator part of it. It's got very nice grips, but from what I saw on the website, the grips are supposed to be the cocobolo or the lighter wood versus the ones that are here. And the other question that I have for you is that the trigger for the operator that I've seen online, at least I saw on Springfield's website, is not this straight solid trigger, but it's more of it's got a little bit of a curve to it, and it is ported. So do you think this is an aftermarket trigger? I can't tell. I don't know enough about 1911s to figure that out. This is a 9mm, of course. Range officer, operator, front fiber optic sight, which is nice. It's got to prefer that it was a solid blacked out rear, but it's got the two dots in the back. Single-sided safety. And overall, it seems like a very nice quality 1911. Front serrations, rear serrations, they're very nice. And the firearm, come on, focus. The firearm has been safety checked, but just so we know for sure. It glides very nicely. Seems to be very well made. The one thing I also have, and you've seen it in other videos, I have the mil spec, the Springfield 1911 mil spec. And it seems to be, I don't know if it's just a question of adjustment. And again, this is my lack of knowledge of 1911s. But it seems like even on the mil spec, the extractor here, it's, I don't know, it doesn't protrude as much as it does on this one. It's got skeletonized hammer with texture. Everything else seems to fit very nicely. And I'm not shooting at, filming this video at my normal film location. I'm over at Range USA, which used to be known as my home away from home, Shoot Point Blank in Carmel, Indiana. But they have changed the name, the corporate name, to Range USA. I don't know the reason for it, but it's been changed. So this is here for sale, used, and I'm thinking about buying it, but I would like to know a little bit more about, is this stock trigger? Did somebody drop this in? What does it look like to you? It's got the normal mag release. It works fine. Another bit of a question is it's got one Springfield mag, and it's got one that has, I believe that's the Ed Brown logo. So it's an Ed Brown mag, one Springfield mag. This is a bit of an enigma, this pistol, to me, and I'm hoping that one of you, I have a very knowledgeable audience, can tell me if they know what could be the story behind this. It feels very nice in the hand, typical 1911, although for the price point you have very nice checkering in the back and the mainspring housing. I wish it had checkering in the front. If you're going to charge $1,000 for a gun, at least give me the serrations up front. So there it is, Springfield Armory, 1911 operator, range officer operator in 9mm. By the way, since we're talking about this, let me know what you think about this. Is it worth buying? Should I buy it in 9mm the way it sits? Seems to be in good condition. Please let me know. I look forward to your comments below. And also please remember that I upload videos every Friday morning and when I can on Wednesday mornings as well. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, there you can see what's coming down the pipeline to the channel way before it hits YouTube. Once again, thank you very much for stopping by, and until the next time, God bless.